dwarfs share miensa ma second 11 wise enso etimi share back wa second share miensa near dubiase enso etimi share back Cedro All Blacks share nsia ma Elmina Sharks enso entimi anti Bekwai Heroes share back ma Park Academy enso entimi anhye bi sama twe honsem a eba no yetenase ya de honsem no e de be ma full time na so na afi and a game back eba no seshi All Stars na afi Future Stars and so eba so 3 p.m. na yere honsem no e de air to ya shofo ne atifo Samsung zone 3 the division 1 league no o he atam the visa ono share back mo Kwa United enso entimi anti FC Nanya share back mo Interallies enso entimi anti Golden Kings an shebi ma Kutoku Royals enso entimi an shebi Samsung na Rain Masters FC share back ma na God FC enso share back Homestar share back ma True Democracy FC enso entimi anti Hohwa United share back ma Port City FC entimi anti K Sympathy FC an shebi ma Great Olympics should be Samsung Kings Palace FC share back ma Akati All Stars and so etimi share back nteno and Division 1 league no honsen samoa yede to ya shefo ene ya tiefo anim enso ewo dwumade no jemfiri ho na afi Ghana Premier League no jemfa honsen sem no so emfa to ya shefo ne ya tiefo na no ada ene ehu ze Dreams FC ene Nations ball na coach a je friend Otoado enso etimi ko eko born ni akonhoma ko he sede no ma no enso esi gonti wo try as a coach Otoado ene wo ho awa bra Dreams FC enso ni Nations ebo na se okwa ko bi ntu ha Premier League no coach ni gusu a o hwehwe na afi yem players ahoro no watima invite omo era ba yem Blasters na no ada call up e ba bonten no na se local based players no mienu ene wom asande go goalkeeper friend Fred Kasari wom ene afra branch friend Afo Sinakan ene ma Samates left back no enso edi wom ti wo hwehwe we no ye hwese ebetimi akona nim na afi local based players no enya bebri enso wo yem call up ni mu no ene said no ma no enso esi konti Ghana Premier League no Matchweek 5 results no so ba so a jemfa ho sensem no emfantu ya hwefo ni results etodwa ewo Matchweek 5 nim no na no fiada ene start ya say ne si koye Accra Folk Tifi anhye bi ema timu a je friend aduana enso antimi anhye bi to aso na no memeneda ema timu a je friend Mediama Tifi wanhye bi ema timu friend Heart of Lions enso antimi anhye bi nano randa enra games ahoro ni nano enso timi to ya sane kotoko Tifi share baako ema Accra Lions enso antimi ante Kawela United enso etimi share baako ema timu friend FC Samates enso etimi te kanu baako defending champions no enso atema share miensa ema Legon Cities enso te kanu baako Gold Stars share baako ema Bechem United enso entimi ante Brekum Chelsea share baako ma Young Apostles FC enso entimi ante Dreams FC Tifie wanhye ma Nations FC ko so meka baako Vision FC share baako ema Basake Holy Stars enso entimi ante no ene sere no ma no enso esiko na nada Kumasi asane kotoko nya winner amanfo ani age amanfo boss rehe no yanko na yenhwe after the game no said na fans no enso AC react to winner Kumasi asane kotoko enso nya
what to be a create chances basai be shenias. When I just say yes, and when we are so used to window now, the way here strikers.
We are going for our 3-month point. As that is here, we are our supporters. They say we are about the top of the league. There is no turning back. It's a caterpillar and a
Not the maniaci. Much I have born back in Sweden and Nepal, and West now Popo. Now, Mahuse, Friday, Tenia, coaching Yomuyan, and that Mahu resource.
Indianone fans ne semua omedi tuja ebisi supporters ne ba omu create chances omu hia strikers ebisi omakoto soro no yesa caterpillar ne de betwe omu afire bi nso next nana mention je na tese wo kase kotoku games omo no wo boase nina no eno ada na ni gi pa because training ana no ada fiada na team ne ye no omo de ba ebe huru game ni mu ade nkunimdie enso atimi aba e de ama omo eno ne sere no ma no enso siko na fans no enso di nkumo wiye no yenko ne yenko wa bra ye ball final hwe say game na bana wiye no Kumasi asande kotoko players no ene omo fans omo free Kumasi omo free ba bia ba support omo no yenko ne hwe de we a na ne man enso sitie ho say Kumasi Asante Kotoko players na akọ mo fans no ho a omo enso ebo mo nsam ede mo abibiano enso etimi ko a warrior of the match na Justice Blaine to here and as one fans ni na di nko odim ze nsam wa mane ade na ze we no when we abutum we kura ni salary no on fan nsanka because said the normal ko ye man no eno ene said the normal enso esi ko na Asante Kotoko te bus ni mo a omo return no aw na ese anigye no enso atimi aba na ese players no adi nkunima ese anigye nko a ena na ekoso wo bas ni Nese Osha nese Kotoko no goalkeeper Kamara nese odi asa gina mu eso mo bogin so ase win ni basa de a nese sa pepe na no man enso esitia de ho nsem no ede to ahwefo ni atiefo na coach a ye friend Prosper na Etuogum head coach ede Kumasi Asante Kotoko after say Asante Kotoko win here ede tia Accra Lions no odi nkomo after win against Accra Lions.
A very tactical game. If you look at the way they play, they try to keep the ball, play out from the back, especially look for the half spaces, pretend they are not in those spaces, but then when the balls are played into those half spaces, they pick them and then play direct. But then we're able to identify that and also try to close them on those half spaces. Well, we knew that once we did not allow them to play from those half spaces, it was going to be very difficult for them to play. So that was exactly what we did. So they couldn't actually play out from the back. We neutralized.
I know when a coach Prosper na talk no church tactics more ho kwan of fast wa otimi ye ehye team friend Accra na all church mu enso etimo na amanfo so Kotoko anhye goals bebreu eno na coach Prosper na Etuogum on Kotoko not scoring a lot of goals odi nkomo enso ewo ho.
I think when a team is creating chances, it's a good sign that the team is playing well. So once we are creating the chances, I'm very sure that going forward they will start scoring, and once they start scoring, they will get their confidence. So it's not the best that you create about 17 chances and then you score one out of that. It's not the best. But then, I mean, on the other side too, it's a good signal that it means that the team is very offensive in terms of attack and in terms of
coach Prosper na Etuogum say so be create chance mako dun so no ahyem ba ko de nye mom we ne trese nyoma be dane nyoma ens ekoye di mom in terms of say omu create chances ne ade nti bibia no enso betimi adane aso omu start so omu share goals na e de omu confidence be bana omu start game na say pow omu share goals ne sa enso timo na all din komo about scoring of goals no and outside din komo say Kotoko omu defending no coach Prosper na Etuogum e can see that for Kotoko defense one. Obehena watimi e dia tum enso coach Ogum on Kotoko defending na say watimi e dia tum enso etimo na enu nyamae no yentoa so na yenti nkomo enso e wo de opposite coach a Jeffrey no Ibrahim Tanku after say ono enso tena ho e ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko show meka ba ko matimi ante no ono enso etimi di nkomo on defeat Asante Kotoko edemo and also entiminya ready no yemfiri ona afi yenko na afi outgoing Kumasi Asante Kotoko NCC chairman yene ne eni komo enso etimo opani no enso ba ebehwe game ne hu se otimi efa bass sahoro erema Kumasi Asante Kotoko ema omo enso etimi kohwe omo metre supporters omo Kumasi ne akiri na no otimi fa bass sahoro ede momo esanso emomo 1000 tickets on fanko enkoko game ne Christopher de Menyasem na make na after the game no ye ben no ena ni dim komo se edan na ma ne ba ya ono enso timi fa bass ahoro edema timi efa no Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters so omonko na for monko game ni bi
football no afini Asian League na say and you know say players na farm no obi fear mo new it's afini Asian say and we share defense now we are okay we are midfield now we are okay but aka attack in kakra but coach ni ye hu adwuma or make sure so be hu adwuma and they say the team ni here empire from the supporters sometimes na say you play lack ema team no how are ebe koyi ama team na ye sometimes we ball run ni lack won't mention because the chances are creating more than 8-10 chances because there's no lack what I say it's everything in life lack ka and let's hope for the club. No, they play like a man. And to the supporters be a war, but me they are what team no one by boom. Oh, dear, some will be a what team no. Send a bear team no be planning to my preference. They must to do it. Yes, why you watch na face they meet me a boy never yabwa.
And on Samoa Christopher Demenya ere to Jawono and outgoing NCC chairman. On also the answers and to the fa Kumasi as I know got team no say we are kotoko ni na wo ba biana. Bompa said team ni benya lack na be timi atane and sweat me e dia mo na all ko na muzan say Joba bia next Kumasi as I know got NCC chairman no in Sembe no wo eka ere kire no.
Ne panazo ba no de na adwene ba. Enti oba na adwene kita no de ba no. Papa ye nyina be boa.
Eno ne Samuel opening the two just say obi a oba bia kotoko adwuma ni bia no bana say na adwene ya adwempa omo enso betimi support na bibia no enso atimi akoyie na media matifie board draw coach your friend couple enso edinkobo after omo enso atimi board draw in the Heart of Lions.
Yeah, unfortunately we really didn't expect this result, but this is football. We didn't start perfect, especially in attack. Our ball didn't go very fast, especially in middle areas. Flow of the ball, we should provide a little faster ball to feed our forward players. I hope we will rise up everything and we will get better results in next matches. Yeah.
And on Samoa coach Kapo and so etimi two na Oriya friend Bashir Hayford and so head coach Adama Timua, your friend Heart of Lions after the draw. Also, especially
we had a tough last season, honestly. And then, if people ask me our target, what I tell them is that we don't want to go to what we went through last season. That's all. And so we are trying to make sure the first round, at least if we get something on the second round, even we mess up, at least something will make sure that we don't go into what happened last season. And so coming into this game, we have to watch them for the first time, and then, if possible, we open up in the second round. But we saw that we open up, it was going to be a disaster, so we have to stay closer again. And then we did it, and by the help of the goalkeeper too, we stood behind the victory, and then the defeat.
And no Samoa coach Bashir Hayford and so other two after draw mo and so etimi Nuruddin Abdullah player na ma team friend media ma din komo nanso mreno e ma kwant ma me table no after Matchweek 5 no ma me table na afi fancy mra no fa dwumade no enso emfa mfiri amono ne emfa mbre Kumasi asande kotoko enso edikan e wo league table no so a omo after say omatimi abo games mako num no omo ene da soro ho a bibia no enso ekoyere ma timo a ye fa no Kumasi asante kotoko a point no omo mako du baako bebia ni go start to so mienu ono nso wo du baako me de ma to so miensa ono nso wo points ni edu enso etimi wo ho nation service aba abeto so 4 ono nso e wo 9 points 5th position no e breakum Chelsea ono nso e wo 8 points a oba bere house of folk abia no 10th position a ono nso wo 5 points and afi omo mu twato no e aduana oto so 16th with 3 points dream service to 17th enso with 3 points afi 18th no e legon titita ono enso e 1 point no ene Ghana yen football no ho nsensem wa yede tu yen Black Stars players ne ba na emum yakọ na yen dim komo enso e wa amono ne ye ba pe yede dia kan na enso betimi ato so fancy
wo vara so ho ye de
oh nyame adom
another brand new week another brand new day Monday ne na unim de flow of chain nra mo dwuwe ne de masa mo hwe bibi yo
oh say yeah kike
kan no bo shot ama goalkeeper puba ba rebound empty net baby a goal in down from me ho baby a
bo bi na say Jackson dey na fashion anko
oh mo dey Jackson dey some can men can answer mo can men can answer ye can Flovich yes by me fu ne enkoye ni ma
that be saying
one and one no mo ball draw
okay Matthias here but no disappointing result the my obi is just bo bi so enkoye adwuma no be Chelsea match no pe power bank no be Chelsea match is enkoye
sa
what if you mo draw this not time for
from Januma na from Janmu
and not time ko share Liverpool ntino e okay mamo
oh there be enu na o se show play card opportunities bi na enu goalkeeper no so ya adwuma pa for once Sanchez dey was me bona Barcelona
okay
oh enu na dey masa
Such competition here, keen contest.
Oh yes, they say Premier League in the first 10. Unimana. Mayu da 14. Munya be trebe ko enro coach ne so masa omanya clean sheet.
Asema mechanism wo say. Ndu obi e kan wo di o.
O cha hag na odini ho agro.
Fancy go.
Okay, well, yes, you can hear the story some for young call La Liga and say you international break where the month of October the year. Now my main front one say Enra game back about so Atletico and some our Real Stadium Enra Julian Alvarez no and so just go Atletico team no. You start the match in just under 1 minute and about Argentina. Women's one could only share go Edman Saida. You fans Atletico match and a Cobas player fans Lucas Sucic ono and some man restore parity Edman Saida. Your fans associate and over 1-1. Now unim sa Kwadana and Roger man of the match award no and some Martin Zubimendi ono and I'm about to just a point one no say Wabra Cobas wonya chance about joining Liverpool. One was attend Liverpool wo ko dynamic no casino and wa Kwadana a man of the match award and I branch man some Martin Zubimendi our brand ya did update in demo. Now Jamin second say and some money report to Ebony in also transfer Enra match about so player your fans Antoine Griezmann up on the 400th game and some other Maletu come out of Bobo Kuno not just ever since I born John inside your fans Antico and one Joe and I born game number 400 Emma Saida your fans are let to Arahosam say and one not just a Griezmann the wife and then Quatano and some our stadium on Sabobokua your fans associate that almost supporters and Enra no more so Chante Griezmann die na Chesanio Maletico supporters no woman Tibu Kotua and no and some last weekend and we'll be on a Chesa Basua woman's Adibiya Kwadana Fanasa Griezmann Enra Ama Chesanino no and some update to Eba Onsamino yet Emma yet for Unimsa Menoka said Yamenseka and some others are Real Madrid Okoma Swaya woman Brent Evansa Danny Kafaya and so a promise say woman say Ayafe and Akwadana Yafanasa Kavaya so better than first will be our tail to surgery no and no person at Dominion 1 year now a branch of Kavaya so better no I must say report to me and say one shot Real Madrid Yamiyama January one some other question Piano woman right back and some Adanaba maybe possibly almost on a center back and some other so much back woman Koba Vinicius Junior yes one problem on the cone and watch Rodrigo and some discount for Tebium and some branch I want to say Adamili Tao and some Macropra I just sending an update about the Americano and some other winter transfer market no and some be a remodeled Bobokuno Ababa so much right back and the center back Nibi and some Ababa Nasan Comonamana said Yamin say would you remember the Sela Fabrisa and I just remember Dramon Cotano yes woman did about Sanuma Elko some our Barcelona when you compare the Elkos our team na your fans are Real Madrid not just Real Madrid and Kaye Hadiam Basafono, Sakoba be a players Epra, Omo Flick, Aman Kwadani bi, and so chance Amoma Ediama senior team. Would you Real Madrid? Womo Kobasam for injury crisis Eba. Manager Fano Sanchelotti Fu say, Ebian Kwadanum Amon Fisusa. Now the experienced player and elbow Ebia sub position, Binisaya Kenya, Ebia Chesa Cavaya Bra, I wasn't Kebian Kwadani bi Ebono. Yes, manager Fano Sanchelotti, and some Anya Sanyaman Amamanoka. Quadana, Wamuso Po Adama Real Madrid, no, yes, Wamusum Abu Enyoso, now has a flick Akasaye, and some other play from Sakavaya, and so the other say, Wawashe Aquadana Spirit Recovery, Omusa or Po Adama Madrid, and Onusu Kochi, Ayabobo Crefans of Barcelona, Namo Madiria Basawa Brene, Wawashe Aquadana Spirit Recovery, Achasano, Ayade Enyano, Obdu Ayabobokua, Yafans of Bonsa, Wamuso Rantanu Plano Musu Program, no Casa. Ferran Torres and so called 1 month our bra one some anti-mobile not just an injury situation a hard jumper we are some coach your fans answer flick and some attitude
best also for Danny it's I think it's a huge injury and from my side really because he's doing really great and as we can also say from Barca, all the best for him and also for Ferran because we don't know yet how long he will we have to miss him. So it's not nice, this injury, because in the offense we have not so many options, and
yes, and no I kakra manager fan say Hansen Flick and Otes ya Dennis Emma ya for mama striker ya fan say Robert Lewandowski enwa e wa we to double T wa lava so no ball hat-trick kadama side ya fan say Barca na Chelsea season you know one anya na hat-trick at Chelsea dikai na Lewandowski after the game or say na near die pass and will make it difference at my side ya fan Barca the most important thing no and so I 3 maximum points enwa woman so anyaye.
We are happy that we play very well today. I'm very happy that I score again the goals, and what is more important, that we won the next game after a period that we play 5 games and that we have between only 2 games between. That was for us extremely hard, but in the end now we have the national break, so of course now we are happy that we play very well today. And
yes, and no I kakra free na sweater but our Premier League anymore. Bobo Kwefanos are Brighton from 2 goals down. Woman so betisha 3-2 ateba kwenwa na just a shocking aya kwatana ya fanos are Brennan Johnson about first goal free aye James Madison about second Komukoba aye second afana Yakuba Minte wonom ateba ko ama Jorginho Rute oteria tosumi ansana dan Wabak enya winning goal no ade amabobokua ya fanos are Brighton na just anwa team and din and some other Tottenham amo bottle woman lead Dominic can take and coach no was it what did he about and Roma cross and one na Adiba could so them send boys and almost disappointed just a boys are disappointed or say no and shut down fan hosa the and fan who and say mum and I'm not pitching so number the 100 year partners and run the supporters are woman so travel away woman about disappointed and no more coach no one was disappointed no more players and what you can add a trauma dear you can say feedback after the game or the Maomo na Adiba couldn't say and second half anymore one more demand one more bona will form now second half and just some lacking intensity and some our match in no and a more bottle and 2 goal leader I'm about Luzu I 3-2 Solomon Saida you for Brighton way I Ange Postecoglou.
My feedback's always you know what I believe. I don't hide things, and you know I'm sure that the players are disappointed, but I don't really care about that. They should be disappointed. The supporters will be disappointed. I'm disappointed, but
yes, not just Tottenham manager never saw trust and Mantiano. Woman self at some year disappointed supporters nimum and I watch one more and I am some and coach and the tuja. Now my main front one saying I may to my international break bar Liverpool and Chelsea and Apple Makukuraya I suspended when I accumulation of yellow cards and watch it I was live for fun on those Okadi yellow and ra and to my accumulated cards as I say woman I out of that game now Adiba couldn't say I was saying Chelsea a traditional I have £50,000 at Mabukua and I said the FA and say one more game now we have 6 or more yellow cards I had 25,000 the last time one more Kotua and Enroma said Trebi and somebody else also be na Adiba couldn't say Sanyoma and Namso Emma yellow cards buyer and when you plan on your savior Emma Chelsea no and some goalkeeper your friend Robert Sanchez and I say I was some boys in the moment Baba say be a referee the game na oye player be kasa referee ho and I say be a surrender referee akono so no we benya yellow ntisanioma no I was so musua de and some the free mo ni nyina I update about was say enwa coach ni catch am say mo bia man we was say enwa 10 against 11 na just nothing on Bobo Kono wo some defend and abesha on the road wo lose this season today what did you about a boys na aye drum bet me bia enwa draw no and no so aye just and your messenger yes say manager Faris Enzo Maresca and some other man of boys and Enra our Villa Park I am match back one attention and some our so persons and stable Esha ya Ebian Kano pay better who and normal goalless draw now Adiba kwa shock and Senra or Faris I Johnny Evans and a J a young man of the match I'm a so do come up na adeba kono se magwa ekopra enra shark momentum mu free aye developer kako na Harry Magua omasho no protective boot na chese ne nan no wopra a chese boot na omode ahye ne nan se de be a eno so betumi aboa situation te Magua and our togus ne na benkum no wama body protective boot a chese bema anya ma say ameno ka say na enwa after the game manager fan say Tenra Gano say San noise na and na Montana aye pamono and wo kwam na den and jumede no wasa and wonya den or say aye external and internal sanke bi noise na aye within and a rescue concerns no mo kan nyina mo ni club no mo entisan komo no nyina no aye external noise yenti Eric Ten Hag.
I think Simon, you said it very good. External noise. Internal, yeah, we are disappointed and we know we have to do better. Especially we need to score more because that is in this moment the area after this block of games where we are really short. All the other areas, I think we are doing really well. For clean.
Yes, NT manager no so aya juma man you as of now there. Yenti bibi eno red fan say Gary Navon was say wo can manager na samples I and ma get 2 trophies o maswa pe and ma get 2 trophies the beer and one ya there what they born on for ni do mo here for now and some aya consistency our results no mo and na ya there ya patches and nyina na update and also Liverpool team no Jamaican kan say Van Dijk Mo Salah and afa aye abrancha wan say Arnold enkomono yaso ma dru aye level no aye impasse na che say say progress bia no ebam say bia boys no best time contract say good news bia no eno eba asom na che say no enso aye update eba ye brana so yenkomre ye ba aye 9:30 adia kan nyina no ye the latest enso eba bo mahene